Hi, hello, it's me, Ellen. So we just released a new WordPress free theme on WordPress.org, and it's a fun blog theme that uses blocks and the site editor, so it's really easy to customize, and it comes with a lot of style variations that give you the option to quickly change the style of the theme. That is, it's really fun, and it was fun to create that. And I just want to give you a quick overview of the theme so you know how it works, and yeah, I hope you're gonna like it. Okay, so this is the demo site we've created, and you can see it's a column layout, kind of masonry style, but it just uses CSS columns to keep it clean and simple, and you can upload your own logo, and you have a navigation here and a search form, and it just features blog posts and in a minimal bold layout. You can add your newsletter here and social icons, and use your logo again. Then you have 2-page templates that we created with patterns. So an about page, and you can have 2 or 3 or more authors here and kind of show a few more images in this gallery if you wanted to. And you can have a contact form if you want to on an about page. We use WP Forms, the free plugin for that, and you can also have your newsletter. We used MailerLite, the plugin, in this demo. So then you have a clean, easy to read, minimal design for the single post, and you also have kind of featured posts here that you can set up for your single post if you wanted to. We also created a fun little about page template that you can customize, so you can add your own image there if you wanted to. So these 3 pages and the templates for the blog are about it. The design automatically adjusts, so you don't need to do anything here in the settings for your blog. So it's really simple, easy to use, and fun. And the most fun is it if you look through the style variations, and you can kind of like weekly, if you like, change your design if you wanted to. So I want to show you that first. So I go into my local installation where I have set up the theme, and you can find all the cool blog theme features under Appearance Editor. Here you can edit the templates, set up your header and footer, edit the 404 page and single post page, and all these kind of fun things. And you see the style settings here. So we pre-created the designs for the style variation. So it's really, you don't need to do anything, and you can ignore that no post found. This is hidden in the normal. So you can easily choose a dark design for your website, and it automatically adjusts. It will also adjust the newsletter, as you can see here on the front end. And you could customize your colors here for the blog, for the buttons. But yeah, it's a beautiful, simple design that automatically adjusts to the style variations. You can go really bold with serif font, and you can easily change the pink to any other color too as well. So it's really changes the feel of the site with the style variations. I think it's really fun. I was actually surprised how well it worked and how cool it looked with the style variations. So it really changes the perception and the style of your website. You could change that around easily. So we've created some more subtle ones, some really bold ones. It's really kind of cool, and it was fun to play around with that and really make the theme kind of look very different in just one click. It's really cool. So we had a lot of fun with these style variations, and as you can see, we created a lot for you to choose from. And yeah, you can really play around and customize the colors. I will show that in a different video. Here I just wanted to kind of show you what we actually offer. So you can go very classic, just kind of dark mode, sans serif, and or like really arty white, and use bold colors. It's really fun to play around with that. It was really cool to see the theme change and to it really works. So yeah, that is the main feature of this theme that we created, and I wanted to show you the settings for the templates that you can customize. So to change it up, I will use one of the dark modes, so also the drop downs works, and also if you switch to the mobile version, it automatically adapts. So you can you don't need to worry about the setting. It all automatically adjusts nicely from the colors. So to customize these templates, it's really just a few clicks you need to do. So you go under templates, still in the site editor, and here you see all your page templates, and the blog one, the main page, is the index template. So you can just kind of click on the post, and as you can see in the demo, we only show the category, the title, and the excerpt, and you can go in here and customize that. I always like to open the list view that you can find here on the top left to kind of see what you have in your template. And I grouped these things so it's easily to adjust. So what we did, we just put the categories on top, deleted the post date, deleted the author. That makes sense, especially if you're just one person blogging. And then because the categories weren't on top, you need to adjust the padding here. So you need the top padding, that was 12 pixels, set to 0 or to the default 0, and then you set the bottom padding to make that nicely. That's how we done that in the demo. And then you also have, next to your index, you have your archive page, and you can switch that up actually to make it look different. You could have the date there and the author, and maybe not the categories, something like that. So here you would maybe just delete the categories and have the author and the date on top, and use that template for the archives. Then here you also find the 404 in case you want to use your own image. You can easily adjust that. You can just click on the image and click on replace, and choose one of your images from your media library, or create your own image, or upload a new image and save that. So this way you can adjust the 404 page. Then you also have the single post, and here actually there's one thing you would need to do. You can really adjust the setting here to maybe not show the author. Again, the list view is helpful here. You can just click into these and then see that the author is in this row. You can delete the little line there. You can delete that setting. You can really customize it. And then here we have the featured article, a related post, and there's usually it's just the latest 3 posts. You would need to adjust that sort of. So you go into the query loop, click on that, and here you can see I used one of my categories to show 3 posts, and I changed the order from oldest to newest to kind of feature older posts. I reset that for a moment. So it's under filters that you can kind of, you could feature an author, feature by keyword or by category or tags, and you can kind of choose one of your things. So maybe you could create a tag called features and then choose 3 posts to feature. You could also add more posts if you want to have like 6 posts or something. But yeah, that's how we kind of set that up. So it's a little bit of a workaround. It doesn't automatically feature posts, but I think it's still nice to have. If you didn't want to have that, you could just delete the whole block here at the bottom, the whole group thing. So yeah, I think these are the main features. Then in the footer, you can choose, as you can see, we use the MailerLite sign up form block and kind of just include that, and you don't need to do anything else here. And for the logo, if you want to use one of the style variations and the logo should adapt inside in the color, you need to install which it does in the front end. It doesn't show that in the back end. So it's a black SVG logo that I uploaded, and then I installed the plugin called Support SVG. And that is the plugin. And then in the settings, you need to activate advanced usage and then use that style SVG class in the block, in your site logo block, and then it automatically adjusts. So if you can see, I've done that here. And it is the SVG image that is used. Here, SVG, custom logo, style SVG, that is the class I've added. I will do an extra little video on the YouTube channel to kind of show that. So yeah, that's all you need. You can, of course, in the editor, customize your header and footer. The easiest is to just wait for the block template to show up and then go in here and change that up, create your own navigation, add social links here, just the normal social links block. You can click on the social icons and choose one to add, and just add your profile link and then go like that. And of course you can always delete a section that you don't want to use. So for instance, you don't want to use your logo here, you can just delete it. You can also delete the newsletter if you didn't want to show that. So yeah, that's the main features of the theme. There's not much else you need to do. You can customize colors. So if you, for instance, didn't want to use this light orange here, you can go into the style variations. I'm using the Aurora at the moment and customize the styles. So you just go into the style variations and you already see your colors pop up here. And there are quite a few colors, but it's nice because you can really customize your settings here. And yeah, so you have a text brand color, surface brand color, and surface secondary brand color, and you can customize these settings really easily. You can just click on color options, show details, and then go into a color and change it up. So yeah, that's very easy to customize the individual style variations. And if you change your mind, you can always reset the colors. I will do a separate video on colors changes for the style variations as well, because it's quite complex, and there's a color system that we use, and yeah, we will use that for all our future themes. So it's a little bit more complex compared to other WordPress themes, but it really works and makes it possible to have quite detailed settings that might be helpful for more complex like button color settings and things like that. So yeah, that's the Moog theme overview, and I hope you really like it and enjoy it. And if you have questions, just let me know, and we can kind of I can do more videos showing you more settings or variations you can do. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you like our new free theme.